So I'm out here in a little rural community here doing a quick video of 3 cars. I think this is a Firebird Formula. There's a Trans Am, originally black, has the 6.2 liter stickers on it. This is a automatic, originally probably a black interior. Somebody changed it out to blue. Yeah, maybe it's originally a blue, kind of a cool color. Been sitting out, broken glass, cracked dash. I can't get the hood open. That is locked, fortunately, so it's can't see the motor. Body actually looks reasonably good. Factory, maybe a black car, or maybe that's the primer underneath. Obviously a lot of Bondo here. You know, don't see a lot of corrosion down low. See the paint flaking off. Probably not original seats. You know, somebody painted over the trim. But you know, look at those rockers. Quad dual exhaust down there. Correct tires or wheels. You know, not a horrible looking car, although it's been certainly sitting out here. Last tagged in 2012. Look at the Firebird Formula. It looks like it has probably a rebuilt engine. We got a picture of that. And I don't think you can read the miles on the odometer, but it's down there somewhere. This has almost a Trans Am looking dash on it, which is really interesting. Don't know if this is a Trans Am as well. I got the data tag information on this one. There is a VIN number somewhere on there, but hopefully we have that on the data tag. And then this is a 69 big block, supposedly a 396 El Camino. AC car, looks like power disc brakes or power brakes. Has a, I don't think it's a, actually it's a 70 AC car, automatic, includes rust. Got a picture of the, couldn't get the engine number off it, but was able to poke inside. Interesting car, probably originally brown with primrose yellow, rust in the floors. Back there on an incorrect seat. Can't really see what the odometer reading is, but this is an automatic. I believe it's claimed to be a 12 bolt. Interesting, it's a, I guess probably an autumn, maybe that's a 3-speed on the tree. This is another Camaro back here. Claimed to have a big engine in it, slicks. 78, I think. So El Camino, hard to see what's going on with the bed. Didn't really see a huge amount of rust down low. The rockers look good. There's some rust at the bottom of the door. Also, didn't get a VIN number, but I got the data plate. Wish I could see the engine on the Trans Am, but that didn't happen today. So there it is.